समझ नहीं आया।
Yeah. Hi, hi, good evening. Yeah.
What are your expectations tonight? Most stylish award?
Well, I'm looking forward to see a lot of beautiful people in lovely, lovely get-ups, and it's going to be like a evening with a lot of beauty around.
किस कैपेसिटी में पार्टी लाइक आर यू पार्ट ऑफ द मतलब अवार्डिंग
I'm presenting one award.
आपके हिसाब से लाइक व्हाट द मोस्ट स्टाइलिश इंडस्ट्री लाइक दिस अवार्ड
Wow, that's a difficult one. You know, there are some people who can carry off whatever they wear, and I think in men, I think Saif Ali Khan does have a, you know, like a class, and he really looks like a blue blood, like a true Nawab. A lot of things look very nice on him. And from the younger lot, I really like Siddharth Malhotra. I think anything he wears just looks very nice on him. About women, yes. I mean, I give all thumbs up to Sonam Kapoor for always turning out very different, taking all bold moves, you know, daringly wearing different stuff. So all marks for that. Sometimes she goes wrong, but all marks for just trying and being different and loving fashion. Having said that, I love Deepika.
Same goes for you also. All marks to you also for always being
Wow. Well, I don't know. I mean, I try and make it effortless, because I don't like too much of trying too hard, because that's not my style. I want to keep it simple and elegant and effortless.
So let me tell you, you're looking beautiful as always.
Thank you.
Just tell us a bit.
I'm wearing this lovely dress by Siddharth Leitler, and it's white. That's the season which it makes you wear white, because it's getting hot in Bombay. I'm wearing this lovely clutch by Boga, and this beautiful stud by Aquamarine. I did have actually a choice of wearing a statement gown and this dress, and I just thought that after this hard day's work, I didn't want to get into something which was making me uncomfortable throughout the evening. So I wanted to make it effortless, easy, fun, and like a summer dress. And this has got a beautiful embellishment and embroidery, and I think that makes it up for the red carpet. I know. Now, yeah, totally. I really need to ask for some magic. Like, give me some magic so that I can look good. Because after so much of traveling, it really puts you down.
टीवी इंडस्ट्री में आपको लगता है क्योंकि टीवी इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को भी सम्मानित किया जा रहा है
जी
अवार्डेड सो डू यू थिंक लाइक कम अप टू योर मार्क एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स
wow, I didn't know that. In television, okay, that's a tough call. Does television also include the judges and the सब कुछ? हाँ, उनको हटा दीजिए. That's a difficult one actually. Yeah. Of course. Karan Bhai is a dear friend. Karan Bhai really is a good-looking guy. Whatever he carries looks good on him. Karan Thakur is always well turned out. Karan Grover, Karan Singh Grover, all well turned out guys. In girls, Moni has got a good body. She can carry a lot of stuff. And who else? Nia has got a great body. Crystal is a lovely, pretty girl. So many of them, yeah.
And you epitomize as everyone.
Sorry?
You epitomize as everyone.
Well, I don't know. I'm just who I am.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thanks.
बोल बड़ो चलो बाबू अरे Your eyes are kind towards me, young friend. And anyway, have a nice time today, guys.
Can we expect tonight?
Happiness and fun and glamour and glitz and style. I don't know. Let's see.
You have always been admired for your style, and who you
Danny then Zongpa.
and among women?
Dimple Ji, Madhuri, Pooja. Sorry, can I?
I'll come back.
Guys, all good? Hi. Perfect. Very first time, so I'm a little nervous. Tell me. He's performing. Yeah. He's performing. He's inside. So yeah. I'm nominated for the Fresh Face, and but I hope Diljit Paji wins it. I'm a big Diljit fan. I think he looks really cool with a turban, and I hope he wins this one. Oh God! Don't say that. Don't say that at all. Well, just trying to do some good work, and trying to work with all good people, and I hope I carry on this happy phase in life. I'm right now shooting for a web series, and I'm right now working on my second song. It's a single called Kudiyeni. No. So, I might do a web series with him as well. So, yeah.
Can I request you to make the evening a musical by your singing?
Okay. So, this is a song called Ikwari. That was my first single, which was co-composed and co-written by me and Ayush Bhaiya. And of course, Ayushmann Khurrana was singing it. It's called Ikwari Haan Keh De. एक बारी हाँ कह दे मुटियारे, एक बारी हाँ कह दे मुटियारे, एक बारी हाँ कह दे मुटियारे, एक बारी हाँ कह दे बनिया मैं तेरे लइयां, जिउंदा मैं तेरे लइयां, बना रवांगा मैं तेरा बन के सारी उम्रां है. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Cheers.
I can't hear you. Style is a way of saying it. I've always worked in films where I've been shown a glamorous girl. So naturally I've been having all stylized dresses to wear. जी if they have selected me, there must be something about me जिसके लिए वो मुझे अवार्ड दे रहे हैं. और हाँ, हमारे ज़माने में जो हम कपड़े पहनते थे वो स्टाइलाइज्ड होते थे, और वी यूज्ड टू हैव ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर्स डिज़ाइनिंग आवर क्लोथ्स.
कितना आपको चेंज लगता है अब उस समय में और अब के समय में?
अब तो सारे गाउन्स ही पहन के घूमते हैं, तो अब क्या बोलूँ मैं. हमारी साड़ियाँ ज़्यादा खूबसूरत होती है, तो ये है कि गाउन्स के अलावा साड़ियाँ पहने तो ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगेगी लड़कियाँ. दीपिका पादुकोण जी, मेरी किताब आने वाली है. इट्स कॉल्ड आशा पारेख द हिट गर्ल. 14 को सलमान खान जी उसको लॉन्च करने वाले हैं और यही करने वाले हैं. क्यों नहीं, अगर बनाई जाए तो अच्छी बात है. ओ बाप रे, ये बहुत पेचीदा सवाल है. मुझे लगता है प्रियंका चोपड़ा जी. मुझे अच्छी लगती है वो, और कुछ चीज़ें उनकी जो है, उनकी हरकतें हैं वो मेरी जैसी है, तो इसलिए प्रियंका चोपड़ा. ओहो संजय लीला भंसाली. ओके. I'm too busy with the book right now, and I look after my hospital.
Anji, I can't hear.
So what are you expecting tonight from Most Stylish?
Well, I'm expecting a lot of style and a lot of good fun. I hope it's a great evening and I'm looking forward to it. I like Deepika Padukone. Yeah. She's my favorite and she's well dressed. I like my son-in-law, Saif Ali Khan. Hi. इच्छा तो सिर्फ भगवान से प्रार्थना है कि बाकी के जितने दिन कटे हैं ठीक ठाक ही कट जाएं. बहुत दिया देने वाले ने तुझको आंचल ही ना समाए तो का कीजिए. बीत गए जैसे ये दिन रहना बाकी भी कट जाए दुआ कीजिए. सिर्फ यही चाहते हैं ईश्वर से. नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं आया है और जिंदगी सुखी है. हाँ जी, खुशी का दिन है. हम सब खुश हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग भी खुश होंगे. I do try my best to take as much time out.
I'm expecting actually, I'm going to perform and I'm expecting madness from the audience, and that's what I should expect actually. Teri Diwani, and rest is surprise. Thank you.
Hi, all good? How are you? Hello?
क्या करूँ सर?
राइट प्रोफाइल
ठीक है.
आप जाओ लाइन में हाँ ये now move on your right what you going to say ah this yes
Hi. I'm very excited because you get to see so many beautiful people dressed so well, and it's obviously a very exciting event, you know. Good evening.
thank you for granting us our request
No problem. Generally क्या होता है, actresses have their preferred profile, but no problem. No problem, sir.
and Shami, we have seen lots of your videos on the beach and everything.
Yes.
Have a nice time here.
I'm having a very good time. I've been signed up by Adidas as the face of running, and because of my association with this brand, मैं बहुत जगह घूम रही हूँ और वहाँ दौड़ रही हूँ for the brand. So something which I'm very passionate about. So I'm very happy.
Shami, one thing more like
Thank you. I used to think I was very stylish in the beginning, but now you think I'm stylish now, so it's very good. I'm glad you think so.
Can you just describe your dress? Am I right?
I'm wearing an Italian designer called Daniel, and it's beautiful, but it's still very comfortable. मतलब it's not बहुत तामझाम नहीं है उसमें.
And we have seen your ears like
Yes.
can you just describe
So I'm wearing Carrot Line jewelry, and this is like a signature trademark, which is one of their signature trademarks. I think Sonam obviously has raised the bar with regards to fashion. तो उन्होंने तो she set the bar for fashion in the industry. पर मुझे I feel रणवीर की style बहुत हटके लगती है. He's not afraid. He does what he pulls it off very well. So I think both of them. Unfortunately, अभी तक nothing which has officially been signed on. पर I'm keeping my fingers crossed. जी. There was no confirmation from my side, but it just felt good that people thought I was doing so many projects. It's always nice when people think I'm doing so much work, but unfortunately it wasn't the truth. Thank you. Fingers crossed. Thank you. Thank you.
Here. Hi, good evening. I am. Yeah. I think that's what HT Style Awards are about, to go all out there, and yeah, I hope that since you're staying it bold and out there, that's the whole idea. My dress, all I can tell you that I'm really blessed that my friend Nikhil Thampi, who's here with me, he designed it. Right there, getting clicked. So it's his idea, his creation, and he wanted to do a mix of his style mixed with something really bold, and I think that's why he created this for me. I think style is a personal fashion that changes with time. I think that's what it is. In Bollywood, I think Kangna and Deepika are really well styled, and Sonam, of course. Like, hands down, Sonam started it, but I think Kangna and Deepika as well. Jackie Shroff, always. Yeah? Well, he is. He's always that stylish. So I'll see him now. See you. Done? Badshah, we are on our last leg, which you'll hear Ajay and Milan also come, so they'll tell you. But we are on the last leg, which is going to be shot soon, and then the film's completed. Thank you.
Wearing heels, but I'm tall also.
पता नहीं मिलना चाहिए, देखते हैं मिलता है नहीं मिलता है, पर पता नहीं नॉमिनेटेड तो हूँ. Anything that's comfortable, anything that I'm comfortable in is stylish enough for me. यार आज मैंने कपड़े पहने हैं और मुझे लग रहा है ठीक ठाक लग रहे हैं, तो बस वही है। I'm sorry? I don't know, when you're nominated, you always expect, it's always good to have an award. You always feel good about it. So yeah, I mean, who doesn't want to feel good? According to me, I don't know. I mean, I really don't really look at other people, what they're wearing and what they're doing. So. पता नहीं है कौन स्टाइलिश है, मुझे सब स्टाइलिश लगते हैं, सभी अच्छे से ड्रेस करते हैं। जी, कौन सी न्यूज़पेपर में आई है मेरे को वो बताओ पहले। नहीं, मैं तो शूट से आ रहा हूँ, शूट से आ रहा हूँ। मैंने बद्री में नहीं, हम्टी में काम किया था। हाँ, देखते हैं जब आएगी तो उसका एक अलग प्लेटफॉर्म होगा और उस पर बात करते हैं। यार कुछ कहने के लिए है नहीं, मैं शूट से आ रहा हूँ, मैं उससे ज़्यादा क्या कह सकता हूँ, है कि नहीं। अब जो लिखता है उसमें तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता ना, सबको छूट है लिखने की, तो जो भी जो कुछ लिख रहा है, पर मैं शूट से आ रहा हूँ, मैं ये जानता हूँ, मेरे तक कोई बात नहीं आई है। Yeah, absolutely. Yes, bonding very well. We got potluck tomorrow. Come there. All right. See you.
Hi, thank you. I'm wearing an outfit from Amit GT and I'm styled by Sanjana tonight. I think style is something that's very, very personal, and I just think everyone kind of needs to find their own space, and once you do that, once you know what's the best for you and what you're most comfortable in, I think you automatically start owning your own style, and that is something that happened with me as well. Over the years, I kind of learned, what's best for me and what I like the most and what suits me the most. Sometimes it's not even something that I like, but it just suits me the most, and that's why I'm able to carry it really well. I think that's what style is all about. It's your persona. Not really. I think I bid farewell a long time ago. I'm kind of enjoying this space here, and yeah, I think this is good for me right now. Thank you.
Can you just help us with your dress, like who's the designer and stylist?
Sure. The designer of this outfit that I'm wearing today is Amit GT, and I've been styled by Sanjana Batra.
आपको लगता है स्टाइल है, बहुत ही स्टाइलिश लोग हैं, अभी आप अगर बताना चाहें कि उनका नाम जिनको आप देखती हैं?
I think actually there are a lot of people. I think Ronit Roy is somebody who's owned a timeless style. He's always been very fit, very stylish. He's one of those consistent people. Yeah. But that's a tough one, actually. I think I like Sakshi's simplicity and her own style that she carries. Yeah. No, actually, my sister is a writer. She's been working with Vikram Bhatt. She's worked on a lot of movies and other web stuff. So yeah, that's what's been keeping her busy. Are we good? Sorry. Honestly speaking, none. No, nothing. I watch American TV shows, but not Indian.
Good evening. Sorry? Oh, thank you so much.
Can you describe the dress first?
You want me to describe myself? My dress. Well, I'm wearing this dress, as you can see, from Nivedata Sabu, and jewelries from from Maniwala Jewelries, and I'm styled by Mansi Patel, and I'm pretty much myself. कैसे वाले वीडियोस? हाँ, वो क्या है बता दो। वो मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट वाला? हाँ या वो तो मैंने किया है या। I guess, I don't know, yeah. I think so. I think we all are these days, right? आप भी ना? नहीं? नहीं? तो आप भी social हो ना? अच्छा, okay, ठीक है.
We can continue.
Oh, it's okay. I enjoy talking with him. He's a sweetheart. You all will see a glimpse of me in Naam Shabana, which is releasing now 31st of March. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. So if you want to see me on the big screen, go and watch Naam Shabana. You'll see me there.
Are you a part of the one Salman Khan is doing in Australia and New Zealand? Are you going?
Yes, I'm going for one performance. I'm going to Hong Kong. Yes, I'm excited for that. Well, that's a secret as of now, but I'm sure you guys will get like super excited once you get to know what the act is all about and with whom I will perform with. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you too. And become more social.
शुरू हो गया है हाँ
Hi, how are you? Good, how are you doing? Glamour, lots of glamour, and yeah, really stylish turnout tonight. I'm wearing a Holstein heritage dress, and my shoes are Cavalli. Yeah, that's tonight. Thank you. Okay, I'll look straight. I think I'm presenting an award tonight. I don't know to whom, so that'll be a surprise for sure.
What are your standards for stylish?
What are?
Your standards for someone being stylish?
I think anyone who's confident in their own personality is stylish for me. So yeah, just wear your own personality and that's your style statement.
Any names you like to share with us who you think will be stylish?
In Bollywood, I think everyone today is very stylish and very confident. Someone who I really love, and that's a Hollywood artist, is Blake Lively. Blake Lively. She's yeah. Ji haan, ji. I am extremely humbled to have worked with Abbas Mastan sir. It was a super experience, and I look forward to working with them again. I think it's got mixed response, and it's fine. Every film has, sometimes people like it, sometimes people, have other opinions. But for me, I think personally it's been a very satisfying journey, and for all the love that I'm getting personally as well, and for the film, I just thank all those audience members. Soon, not locked yet. Not locked yet. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. For sure, done. I have to see you again. See you tomorrow. How are you? Nice to see you again.
एक मिनट
कैसे हैं आप? जी, आप पूछिए। आपको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है या आज ही ऐसा लग रहा है? मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है, देखते हैं। जी हाँ, मैं ओहो सर है बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ यहाँ आने के लिए, और अंदर जाके देखते हैं। एनीथिंग एल्स? आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं।
Come.
Sorry, you have
Who are you? You sat there quietly. Media.
Thank you. Good evening to you too. Thank you so much for that, Vishwas. I believe that fashion for me is, I'm from the feel-good genre of fashion, and I like to play with fashion. I like to wear what my mood is. So today's mood is very playful and edgy, and that's what I'm sticking to. Well, this is actually a dress made by a very dear friend of mine, and her name is Simiro Kwai. I don't believe that fashion should be restricted to only brands, and whatever, it's more edgy and experimental. On TV? Oh, damn. There's so many, I can't think of one right now, but Kushal is in my show, so I'm going to name him. I really like Kangana's style. I think no matter what she wears, she makes a statement, and she's very, very stylish. Yeah. मेरे हर सीन की चर्चा होती है, सिर्फ बोल्ड सीन की चर्चा नहीं होती है. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि that when your work is appreciated, you feel good, and I am very, very grateful for it. I was always in a happy space, and I will always be in a happy space. I have many dreams, and all will be achieved very soon. Thank you. Thank you. Go together. I'm getting go together.
Let him do it solo first. Let him do it solo first.
हेलो खाली 4.
थैंक यू.
इसलिए हम लोग आज सूट पहन के आए क्योंकि हमारी पिक्चर ने अच्छा किया है.
सूट पहनवाया है.
हाँ.
सर इनके जीवन में तो चलता आ रहा है, मेरे जीवन में पहली बार है, सो इट फील्स गुड. बट हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हमारी फिल्म को प्यार मिल रहा है और अभी तक मिलते जा रहा है. आई थिंक वी आर मोर हैप्पी अबाउट दैट वर्सेस नंबर्स.
उसी औरत को जाएगा जो थोड़ी देर बाद आएगी, जो इस विश्व की बहुत ही महान कलाकार है. मिलना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. हमें पता नहीं,
फिल्म के बाद बात नहीं की
हम फिल्म में भी वैदेही को ढूंढ रहे थे, हम रियल लाइफ में भी आलिया को ढूंढ नहीं रहे।
आई थिंक फिल्म का जो सारा श्रेय है वो डेफिनेटली शशांक को जाना चाहता है। आई थिंक द डायरेक्टर डिजर्व्स द क्रेडिट। इनकी स्टोरी है, इज रिटन डायलॉग्स, तो ही डेफिनेटली डिजर्व्स इट।
एक्चुअली हमारी फिल्म का क्रेडिट इनको जाता है।
बहुत
इन्होंने मुझे इश्कज़ादे में तराशा था और बोला था कि इसमें कुछ बात है।
क्या आपको ये ट्रिविया पता था कि शशांक द मोस्ट अमेजिंग टैलेंटेड गाय ने इश्कज़ादे में एक्ट किया है, और उसी दिन से हमें पता था कि एक दिन बहुत सक्सेसफुल फिल्म बनेंगे। सो प्लीज कांग्रेचुलेट देम, दे डिजर्व ऑल द सक्सेस।
इन्होंने मुझे तब
I have
बोला
to just tell Pariniti, go Golmaal, go Golmaal.
Come. You've got lipstick marks on your cheek. Hi, कैसे हैं आप? क्या ये सच है? I don't know. अंदर खुशी होती है तो वो दिखती है शायद। थैंक यू। नहीं, बहुत एक्साइटिंग इवनिंग है। मैं कभी नहीं जानती थी कि मैं किसी स्टाइल अवार्ड्स पे अपना कोई भी मार्क छोड़ूंगी, बट आई हैव रियली वर्कड हार्ड विद माय स्टाइलिस्ट संजना बत्रा, हु इज़ रियली हेल्प मी फाइंड माय स्टाइल, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई एम विनिंग टुडे, क्योंकि स्टाइल इज़ समथिंग दैट डिडंट कम नेचुरली टू मी, लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एट इट। ये जी 9th या 10th से मैंने शुरू किया, मुझे याद नहीं है। बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। इट्स द बेस्ट सेट आई हैव एवर बीन ऑन। रोहित सर, उनका पूरा गैंग, उनकी पूरी टीम, दे आर जस्ट मैड। बहुत बड़ी पिक्चर है तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है शूट करने में, एंड द टीम इज़ बिकम अ फैमिली। अर्शद, तुषार, कुणाल, श्रेयस, अजय सर, रोहित, मी, तब्बू, वी ऑल बिकम फ्रेंड्स, सो इट्स लॉट ऑफ फन। जी इट्स अमेजिंग, इट्स अ लेगेसी। गोलमाल एक ऑलरेडी एक लेजेंडरी सीरीज़ है। करीना हैज़ डन 2 of them and now I am the girl in गोलमाल, so it's a thing of honor for me। मैं बहुत grateful हूँ God से that I've got this film and I'm doing this film, and I hope you all, I think you will be all very entertained. It's a hilarious film, so you will have a lot of fun। हाँ, उनका रोल है हमें खुशियाँ देना। वो आए सेट पे और हम सबको हंसा के गए, एंड वी ऑल लव हिम। रोहित सर इज़ वर्क विद हिम ऑन द चिंग्स कैंपेन। मैंने ऑफ कोर्स रणवीर के साथ फिल्में की हैं, तो इट वाज ग्रेट फन कि ही केम एंड वी गॉट टू स्पेंड सम गुड टाइम विद हिम। अरे भाई एक How sweet, thank you. I just hope I can do a good job. Yes, I am already बिंदु। मेरी प्यारी बिंदु रिलीज़ हो रही है 12th of May को। बहुत ही जल्द आपको देखना शुरू होने मिलेगा फिल्म का कंटेंट, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। आई थिंक यू लाइक मेरी प्यारी बिंदु। तो मैं यहीं रह जाती हूँ, मैं अंदर जाती ही नहीं हूँ यार। मैं शूटिंग में बिजी हूँ, जब शूटिंग खत्म होता है मैं घर जाके सो जाती हूँ बस। आप सेट पे आ जाओ, मुझे लगता है। ओह थैंक यू गाइस।
Hi, how's it going? I don't know what to expect because I've never been here to this kind of thing before. So it's great, you know. I just had a cool interaction with the people there, and looking forward to going inside now. I think style is very unique. It's very subjective. It totally depends on who you are and what you feel like wearing on the day. I don't think there are any set rules and any do's and don'ts. So it's just yeah. I'm actually very lazy, to be honest. So I just kind of do the best that I can. Sonam? Dad? Easy, very easy questions. How are you doing? Yeah, okay. Sorry. I've been wanting to wear this suit for a very long time. It's Burberry makes this, and you know it's very comfortable, and it's not too thick because it's very hot outside, so it's nice. So we resume shooting on Tuesday, and we're almost done. We have only about 20 days of shooting left. So yeah, it's going really well, and I'm really looking forward to you know, the trailer coming out and all of that. Yeah. I mean, I've done quite a few interviews, and they always ask me this question. You know, I think it's definitely harder for outsiders, to be very honest. You know, I can't imagine the amount of hard work and dedication that it takes to kind of make your way through the door. But I think once you do that, then kind of it's about how talented you are. And we have a lot of examples like Ranveer Singh, Siddharth Malhotra, Sushant Singh Rajput. And then there are also great actors from film families like Ranbir and Alia and Sonam. So there's a good mix, you know, and I think everything in life has its advantages and disadvantages. So you just have to kind of work hard, keep your head down and try and do your best, you know. Thank you very much.
Sorry. I think I've seen lots of my friends, you know, just walking in. So lots to learn from them, you know, whatever. I always feel that, you know, all my friends say that, you know, I don't go out, I don't really take care of myself. So I'm sure I'm here to learn a lot from them, and looking forward to meeting all of them, yeah. For me, style is, I think, whatever you feel comfortable in, whatever you feel, you know, that's you. You don't try to follow anyone, just be yourself. I think that's your real style statement. Yeah, I'm presenting an award, and of course, you know, like I said, you know, I always look forward to meeting all my industry friends here, you know. So that's the reason I'm here. जी भाई, हाय भाई, क्या हाल है? सुबह डन फिट है भाई. अच्छा सॉरी मैं कैसा जी मैं सुलह कराऊं? अरे भाइयों में क्या सुलह होती है यार. आई थिंक चलता रहता है सब. दे विल बी बैक टुगेदर एंड दे आर लवली पीपल एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू नो अप्स एंड डाउन्स लाइफ में सबके चलते हैं. आई थिंक पार्ट ऑफ इट. तो फिर आ जाएंगे यार. आई थिंक दे लाइक आई सेड, यू नो, फैमिली में कई बार ऐसे तकरार होते रहते हैं, बट नथिंग टू वरी यार. थैंक यू सो मच यार. गॉड ब्लेस.
जॉन आ रहा है, जल्दी जल्दी पूछ लो. जॉन आ रहा है, जल्दी पूछ लो. पहले जॉन के साथ कर लो. हाँ, गुड इवनिंग. अरे मैडम, जी हाउ आर यू? जी जी जी. गुड इवनिंग. सर ब्लू जीन्स और ब्लैक शर्ट के साथ काफ़ी लोगों को फूल कर सकते हैं जी। हाँ, फिल्म अभी एडिटिंग पे है, फाइनल स्टेजेस पे है और तैयार हो जाएगी। आई थिंक वेरी सून ट्रेलर रिलीज़ करेंगे, फर्स्ट लुक रिलीज़ करेंगे एंड देन वील स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट। हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। आई थिंक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, टाइगर का सेकंड जर्नी शुरू हुआ है एंड इट्स गुड टू सी कटरीना एंड सलमान बैक together, and I think Ali's also chosen some beautiful locations to continue with, you know, what we've done in the first part, and I think it'll be as exciting if not more. मेरे को एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स प्रोडक्शन के नहीं मालूम, लेकिन यू नो आई थिंक टाइगर ऐसा फ्रेंचाइज है जो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक कम से कम 3-4 कंट्रीज में तो शूट करेंगे। आई मीन एक था टाइगर 5 कंट्रीज में शूट करा था हमने, दे विल शूट इन एज मेनी कंट्रीज आई थिंक। No one has reacted. क्योंकि ये नो एक मज़ेदार चीज़ है और वो जब फिल्म में आप देखेंगे तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा, तो इसलिए we are putting it together. Done? Thank you.
How are you doing? Good to see you again from there. And you, who are you working for now? That's right. Huh? Well, I'm just I'm very thankful to HT for giving me this award, and I'm just very happy that it's a simple night out. I think so. Just be comfortable in what you wear. Who's the... There are quite a few after me.
Hi, how are you, man?
In fact, this time I'll be singing a couple of songs, so it'll be good fun. And I'm getting the Youth Icon Award, so I'm looking forward to it. So it'll be a lot of fun. Style, I think style could be anything from your alter ego to everything. And you could be yourself, or probably you can be something else, somebody else, and try experiment with your looks. And yeah, thank you so much.
Punishment. Punishment is quick one.
Hi, good evening. Thank you. Elaborate? नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very excited that the film is clocked 100 crores at the box office. Really excited for Shashank, for Varun, for Alia, the entire team of Badrinath. We're very proud of the film. It's been loved, it's been watched, and it continues to be watched. हम बहुत गर्व के साथ कह सकते हैं कि हम बद्री की दुल्हनिया के प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं. मैं बहुत चमकता हुआ इंसान हूँ, तो मेरे जूते भी चमकने चाहिए, मेरा चेहरा भी चमकना चाहिए. हर जगह स्टाइलिश इवेंट के लिए आया हूँ तो चमकना ज़रूरी है. Well, I'm very excited to share the wonderful visual of my children with everyone. At the right time, I hope I can share it with everyone very soon.
बट मैं एंटरटेनमेंट, पॉलिटिक्स सबसे ज़्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट है आपके लिए, तो भी आप बोल रहे हैं एंटरटेनमेंट वालों को देते नहीं है। आपका बिजनेस पॉलिटिशियन ने बंद कर दिया। अरे आप सवाल पूछेंगे।
सबसे स्टाइलिश पॉलिटिशियन कौन है?
नरेंद्र मोदी। स्टाइलिश और डिसाइसिव दोनों साथ में चीज़ें, और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है।
एक मैन में कौन सी चीज स्टाइल डिफाइन करती है?
किसमें?
किसी इंसान में, लड़के में, इंसान में?
कंफर्ट, साफ सुथरापन, अच्छाई। जब आदमी के दिल में अच्छाई होती है वही स्टाइल बाहर निकल आती है। मुझे लगता है उस निर्णय ने ये दिखाया कि 2019 में क्या निर्णय आने वाला है। आप पिछले कुछ दिनों से देख रहे हैं कि योगी जी ने बाहर आके किस रूप से काम किया है। एक पुलिस स्टेशन में जाके काम करना हो, वहाँ पे देखना कि क्या चल रहा है, साफ सफाई। एक इतने बड़े स्टेट का चीफ मिनिस्टर पहले कहता है कि ब्यूरोक्रेट्स ने थूकना बंद करना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से लेके बड़े राजनीतिक निर्णय, जिससे लोगों के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो, कुछ भी हो, उससे बहुत अच्छे असर हो रहे हैं। और क्या चाहिए एक मुख्यमंत्री से? आप मुझे पॉलिटिकल सवाल कैसे पूछ रहे हैं? Are you from? Where are you from? MP. My opinion is very clear. First of all, we all have our own problems, but taking out on someone else is terrible. मुझे लगता है पार्टी ने उनको प्रश्न पूछना चाहिए, और हम सब ये जानते हैं कि एक सरकारी कर्मचारी हो, कोई भी कर्मचारी हो, गुस्सा आ रहा है तो आप कहीं खत लिख के उनकी कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं कुछ गलत हो, लेकिन ये हाथ उठाना बहुत गलत बात है, बहुत गलत बात है। तो ठीक है ना, कागज़ पे आप लिखिए कि आपको किसी कर्मचारी की तकलीफ हो रही है, तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं कि गलती होती नहीं होगी, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं, हर पटल पे कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं। हाथ उठाना ये किसने सिखाया है? You have your freedom of speech, but you cannot impound on, just put it on someone else.
Any changes you would like to Indian politicians to be more stylish? आपको लगता है ऐसा कि?
So I'm not stylish at all. As I've said it here, I was working the whole day. युवा मोर्चा की अध्यक्ष हूँ, तो युवाओं के साथ दोपहर तक काम करके अभी मैं लैंड हुई हूँ, और फ्लाइट में ही कपड़े चेंज करके यहाँ पे पहुँची हूँ। स्टाइल इज़ ऑल अबाउट कंफर्ट। आप स्टाइलिश अपने काम से हो सकते हैं, अपने भाषण से हो सकते हैं, आपका अपीयरेंस और आपका दिल अच्छा होना स्टाइल ही होती है। थैंक यू, बाय।
Yeah, very, very good evening. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. I hope everyone agrees to it and everyone says the same. This flavor is, I think people are getting overdose of me lately, I guess. That's why they see me around everywhere. I think it's good, yeah. The thing is, I worked pretty hard for last 3 years. It's just that people are getting to see it now. So the good part is they are enjoying watching me. So that is what making me really happy. आप ऐसे मत बोलो यार, मुझे डर लग रहा है, अब तो प्रेशर फील हो रहा है मेरे को, इतना आप ऐसे अच्छा बोल रहे हो तो. बट नाइस, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम गेटिंग टू हियर सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स कमिंग फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड फॉर मी, सो आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग इट. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. Thank you. Yes, I am keeping it stylish.
Can we request you to decode your dress and look for the night?
Yeah, it's actually all very different. It starts with Crystal Atala's top. It's Aniket Satam's pants, and it's Oral's earrings and accessories. So I'm like mixing it all up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
आज की शाम बहुत ही खूबसूरत शाम है और मैं तो खैर अहमदाबाद से आ रहा हूँ, शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं, तो मैं 2013 में भी आया था यहाँ पे ST स्टाइलिश अवार्ड, तो वंडरफुल इवनिंग. किसको? ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है, मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही खुशनसीबी है कि मैं मतलब इस तरह का इज्जत मिल रही है.
Am I late? Really? But I think अभी तो टाइम था आने का, सबको अभी बुलाया है तो अभी आ गई. जो टाइम मुझे देते मैं वही टाइम पे पहुंच जाती हूँ. मोस्टली आई कम अ लिटिल अर्ली, तो इट्स अ बिट ऑफ कभी कभी मुझे बताना पड़ता है कि प्लीज़ रुको, जब बताएंगे तब निकलो, क्योंकि जब बताते कि निकलो तब मैं निकल जाती हूँ, तो थोड़ा सॉरी. So HT Style Awards, definitely, it's about style tonight. So I would like to give credit to everybody, all the stylists जिन्होंने मुझे style किया है. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thanks guys.
Nothing. Just expecting. You should just like let it happen. Like expect नहीं करना चाहिए. जाएंगे, देखेंगे क्या होगा. I'm sure it'll be a fun evening, and definitely a very stylish evening. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to what's going to happen. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं, डिलाइटेड हूँ. रिस्पॉन्स हैज़ बीन वेरी वेरी गुड, हैज़ बीन वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड ऑडियंस रिस्पॉन्स हैज़ बीन फैंटास्टिक. सो खुशी हो रही है एंड और क्या बोलूँ, बस मज़ा आ रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi. Thank you. Yes, as always, I think this is that time of the year where people notice what we are wearing and how we are dressed. So very, very happy to be here at this event and see, looking forward to a fun night. Yes, this is a new haircut. I just got my haircut a while back. It's been a month. It is for a new film. It is for Ittifaq that I'm shooting right now. Yes, it's been great. I'm actually going to start one more film before the year ends, and I'll have 3 films, and they're going to release back to back. So it's always great. I think I'm happy to keep working and have my dates full. Yes, I heard. I have actually not seen the film. I've been shooting Ittifaq. I still have to catch the film, and I know they've done 100 crores. So congratulations to them, the whole team, Dharma, Karan, everybody. आज ही I think हुआ है. So it's been great, yeah. It's been great. Yeah. अरे कैसे हैं आप? Decode my dress for tonight. Tonight I'm wearing Rohit and Rahul, Indian designer है हमारे, and I think that the shirt is from Diesel, and I'm styled by Lakshmi. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I think today all of us are representing our stylists who make us feel fashionable. And style is something that I think you cannot buy or something you have inherently. हर किसी का अपना style होता है. So hopefully I'm carrying myself and being fashionable at the same time. I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. Let's see. आपको कुछ खबर है तो बताइए. आपको कुछ insight खबर है तो बताइए. नहीं, आपको कुछ नहीं. आपकी क्या है वो? आप किसका पेपर है वो? तो यहाँ पे पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं आप लोग. HT का भी देते हैं. I did a film called Ekvillain. I think it did touch, 100 crores. Sorry? Reload is going to come out in August. We're going to come up with the first look very soon. And yeah, we're pretty excited about it. Abhi time hai. August 25th is the release date. And it's an action popcorn film, which I keep calling, with entertainment. Me and Jacqueline, Raj and DK are directors. So yeah, pretty soon we're going to come out with the first look.
Most stylish apart from you in the industry, men and women?
Men and women most stylish apart from me. Okay, thank you. Apart from me, I think Saif Ali Khan is very stylish, and amongst the women, I just saw Anushka. She's looking very good today. So I think Anushka. हाँ जी, मैंने फिलौरी देखी कल. हमारी पूरी टीम गई थी देखने के लिए, and I really liked it. And I think it's a very fresh, new take on love, and बहुत ही interesting narrative है. And I hats off to her to produce it. So best of luck to the whole team. Am I trying to produce it? Definitely, there are some stories that I want to make. So far, ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा कि इतना कि जो पिक्चरें ना बनी हो. I think you become a producer when you feel that the stories that you are getting are not the stories जो आपको करना चाहते हो. अगर आप ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट हो जो शायद ना बने, अगर आप उसको प्रोड्यूस ना करें, तो अभी तक मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So I'm pretty happy with all the scripts that I have. हाँ जी. मैंने कहा था मेरी बहुत फेवरेट पिक्चर है हम, एंड उसमें मिस्टर बच्चन का रोल बहुत ही अमेजिंग था, एंड एज अ चाइल्ड आई लव्ड सीइंग हिम ऑन स्क्रीन एंड एम्यूलेटिंग हिम, सो बहुत मज़ा आएगा अगर ऐसी कोई पिक्चर करने का मौका मिले। किमी कार्टर के रोल में मैंने वो नहीं सोचा उनको, आजकल तो बहुत है क्या था, हाँ बहुत दिनों में मिले हम, जुमा जुमा करने बहुत मज़ा आएगा, कोई भी हीरोइन। एनी प्रेफरेंसेस? आई डोंट नो, आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट। आई थिंक पूरी कास्टिंग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी, उसमें रजनीकांत जी भी हैं, गोविंदा जी भी हैं, मिस्टर बच्चन जी भी है, किमी काटकर है, हाँ बहुत अच्छी कास्ट है कि तो हम लोग कभी बैठ के मिलके बात करेंगे, बनाएंगे। हाँ, आपके साथ प्रोड्यूस करता हूँ पिक्चर में। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू गाइस।
हो गया ना, हो गया, ये हो गया ना, फोटो हो गए, सब हो गई ना। बाइट क्या बोलूँ मैं, मुझे हम लोग को दिया गया है। गुड इवनिंग, थैंक यू। वेल, वर्ड्स आर ओनली इनफ टू से थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने हम दोनों को इस अवार्ड के लायक सोचा। थैंक यू वो इसलिए क्योंकि इस उम्र में आके हमको एज अ व्हाट टाइमलेस कपल अवार्ड मिल रहा है, बहुत खुशी की बात है। सो थैंक यू हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, थैंक यू व्यूअर्स एंड थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।
थैंक यू।
वही मेरे वर्ड्स वही होंगे ना, थोड़ी अलग थोड़ी होंगे।
आलिया जी की जय हो।
$100 crore. Thank you very much.
How does it feel? I know you are going to win the Best Actress Stylish Award.
It feels very good. I feel very privileged and happy and excited और stylish बनने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
And about 100?
What about 100? अरे बहुत खुशी है 100 को लेकर, बहुत ही यूनिक तरह से आपने अनाउंसमेंट कर लिया है। बट आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक यू, और मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती हूँ। थैंक यू फॉर द लव एंड थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द द वार्म्थ टुवर्ड्स बद्री। एक्चुअली हमने कहा था कि अगर इस फिल्म को आप प्यार दो तो हम प्यार वापस देंगे, तो फिर मैं करण को फ़ोन करती हूँ, पूछती हूँ कि प्यार वापस मिल गया, अब हम क्या करें।
कहते हैं अपने मतलब स्टाइलिस्ट वगैरह आलिया जैसा दिखना है या पीआर को
हाँ गलती हो गई। आई डोंट थिंक ऐसे लोग कहते हैं। आई फील एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर ओन इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल और वैसे ही रहना चाहिए। हाँ देखी है, बहुत पसंद आई मुझे। आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट वेरी यूनिक फिल्म। मैंने ट्वीट भी किया एंड आई रियली लाइक अनुष्का, वो इतनी ब्रेव है, हमेशा अलग अलग फिल्में करती है। सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड आई होप द ऑडियंस गिव्स इट द लव इट डिजर्व्स।
थैंक यू सो मच। कम लेट्स गो क्विकली। बाय। थैंक यू।
शायद वेट करेंगे आ रहे हैं
बाय, सी यू गाइस।
अरे अवार्ड के साथ में मैडम अवार्ड
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Thank you. Well, I hope so. I'd be very happy if I do get one, yes. जी बिल्कुल. Well, I hope it's going to be exciting. I'm sure there'll be a lot of cool people around, very well dressed, looking their best and winning some fun awards. Ji. Hi. Me. What's up? Sorry, you were saying. Bahubali! हाँ लेकिन वो 100 million hits भी हो गया ना बाहुबली का. I'm a big fan of Bahubali, so I'm excited about it. Yes, absolutely. Congratulations to the entire team. Thank you for letting me know who was in the film. Mr. Bachchan is always somebody who will be a style icon. I think the way he carries himself is legendary. In actresses, I think Hema ji looks wonderful all the time. Rekha ji is amazingly dressed all the time. Yeah, I mean, I'm shooting right now for Padmavati, so whatever you see is me prepping for Padmavati. Obviously, the look in Padmavati is going to be very, very different. But yeah, I have been training for Padmavati. जी जितना हम लोग कहेंगे उतना और परेशानी होगी, तो बेहतर यही है कि हम कम कहें और कोशिश यही रहेगी कि फ़िल्म की शूटिंग हम लोग कर सकें स्मूथली, और जब फिल्म रिलीज़ हो तो लोग फिल्म को देखें और उसको एक अनबायस्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें और उसके बाद उनको जो फील होता है वो कहें. लोगों का नज़रिया जो है और उनकी फीलिंग्स जो हैं, आई थिंक संजय सर उनको मद्देनज़र रख रहे हैं और ऐसी कोई चीज़ भी नहीं करना चाहेंगे जिससे किसी को भी तकलीफ हो. Well, we're shooting the film. This entire year is dedicated to Padmavati, so I'm sure we'll complete it and bring it out sometime this year. जी शूज़ हैं और ये ड्रेस है, इसके बारे में आप सवाल क्या पूछना चाहते हैं? This is Khanijo, and my shoes are Fendi. See, I remembered. A lot of times I forget and then I'm fired, so I remember. हाँ जी. जी. Hey. Somebody. I'm really sorry I couldn't make it. Really. Yes. Your last question. कौन सी बेल्स? क्या हुआ वेडिंग बेल्स को? Listen, I don't want to say anything. Let my sister talk. Whenever you see her next, you ask her questions. I don't want to get fired at home about anything. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
क्या करना है? नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली इधर से आई नहीं, उधर से आई एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग. आई गॉट एन अवार्ड. Yeah. What to do now? Some new awards are coming. So, yeah. No, this only. This is my first award of the year. Isn't it? Yeah. It's quite cool. Sporty यही है मेरा pose. Sporty pose मतलब मेरे को बैडमिंटन रैकेट चाहिए. He is shooting. उनकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म पैडमैन with Akshay Kumar. Yeah. So he's in Indore and he's shooting. Yes, it is a very special movie, but he's brilliant himself. He doesn't need my input. So yeah. अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी छुट्टी मनाऊंगी, फिर लिखूंगी, फिर अगली फिल्म आएगी. All right. चलो. Yeah. इनका होने दो. Yeah. Come.
लेना फटाफट, क्या है मुझे क्या टेंशन है, तो स्टार है. किधर गया उधर? अभी नहीं, ले जल्दी.
Thank you. कोई है ही नहीं क्या, क्यों भाई तू? ओके 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 ओके, जल्दी जल्दी.
The questions can come from any side. You have to be in the front.
Okay.
Many congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah.
We were so sure कि मतलब ऊपर से नहीं नीचे से.
आपने कहा कहीं से आ सकता है तुम्हें. ओके ओके, हाँ.
Many congratulations for the award. Just have your words for the winning the award and getting the award.
Well, it feels amazing. I mean, I think we all know that this is a style award, and I think it goes to everyone that you know sort of works behind the scenes, whether it's the stylist, whether it's the hair and makeup, whether it's our directors who present us in the way that we look on screen. So I think it's a combination of you know, of all of that, and of course a combination of each one of our personalities. I think all of us have a specific style, and I think our teams sort of try and bring out the best.
I understand there will be very less time, so we have to cut the other questions. The most stylish men and women, would you like to say? The most stylish men and women.
Well, I think today I was very happy to see Neetu ji and Rishi ji win. I think they've always been extremely elegant and so well turned out always, and elegant not just in the way that they dress, but even in the way that they conduct themselves. So, you know, I think you know, it was nice seeing them.
This time you will see on Cannes.
No, right now I'm just all my energies are focused on Padmavati for now. Thank you, thank you, thank you,
He'll come next.
Please.
I genuinely liked it.
Good evening.
How was the evening? Tell us something about the evening.
It was a lovely evening. I was very happy because Kajal and Ajay got most powerful couple, and then Ajay got another award, so it was quite fun. Ayushmann performed brilliantly, and overall it was a fun evening. Thank you, HT.
And Alisha, tell us something about your dress.
I'm wearing Pankaj and Nidhi today, and I think they've given it a little bit of a Spanish edge, so that's why I've styled it the way I have.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? I'm so fine. What I'm saying is like,
फोटो लेना है?
जी ये दिखाएं
the award is for?
मोस्ट स्टाइलिश डायरेक्टर
और क्या होगा?
ब्लू जीन्स और खाली शर्ट अगर हो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है
White shirt.
Correct. Same. Morning and evening.
थैंक यू
Thank you so much. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Have fun.
मैम सारा सब कुछ हटा दिया है. सब कुछ है 2 words.
क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
Please.
Ali, एक साथ.
Oh, we're done.
Come together. There's your phone. There, smile.
You awesome at the YouTube as well.
Thank you.
चली ले भैया.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.